Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the 16th match in round 2. The scores have changed. Campion College are on 4. Jonathan Grant High also on 4. Campion lost a point for the music question. The correct answer was firework, and they gave fireworks. And also, just for our information, the music question, which was fielded by Jonathan Grant, the name of the song is actually Raise Your Glass. The name of the artist is Pink. And now we go to the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Campion College, it's time for your first minute. Campion, in the Bible, which book immediately precedes Malachi?
Zechariah.
Correct. Mastectomy is a medical name.
Breast.
Yes. Spell cylindrical.
Cylindrical.
Correct. Who's the Prime Minister of Lebanon?
Michel Aoun.
No, Najib Mikati. On which wedding anniversary is wood the preferred gift?
Pre-wedding anniversary.
Yes. Which type of map shows the legal division of a country into smaller
Political.
units? Yes. Which Jamaican singer was born James Chambers?
Jimmy Cliff.
Correct. What is the chemical symbol for the element zirconium?
Zedar.
Correct. What is 69.31816? Correct to 2 decimal places.
69.32.
Correct. Who was the lead male actor in the film Ghost Rider?
Pass.
Nicolas Cage. In what year did Dominica gain independence?
1978.
Correct. In January 2022, which former Guyanese batsman was named as a West Indies cricket selector for the senior men's team?
Desmond Haynes.
No, Ramnaresh Sarwan. And that's it. End of the first minute for Campion College. Now to Jonathan Grant for their first minute. Jonathan Grant, in the Bible, which book immediately follows Ezra?
Nehemiah.
Correct. Hysterectomy is a medical name for the surgical...
Uterus.
Yes. Spell spherical.
Spherical.
Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of Malaysia?
Pass.
Ismail Sabri Yaakob.
Roman.
On which wedding anniversary is tin the preferred gift?
10th.
Correct. Which type of map shows the main landforms and where they are found?
Bennett. Physical map.
Yes. Which Jamaican singer was born Jephthah McClymont?
Pass.
Luciano. What is the chemical symbol for the element neodymium?
Neodymium. NB.
Correct. What is 369.154? Correct to 3 significant figures?
3.692.
No, 369. Who was the lead male actor in the most recent film, Alice in Wonderland?
Jeff Chambers.
No, Johnny Depp. And that's the end of the first minute for Jonathan Grant. Now back to Campion College for their second minute. Campion, which law states that mass can neither be created nor
Law of
destroyed?
conservation of mass.
Yes, which specific item on a Spanish menu is la pechuga de pollo?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
No, chicken breast. Who wrote the novella The Death of Ivan Ilyich?
Alexander Solzhenitsyn.
No, Leo Tolstoy. In which Jamaican parish is the mountain river cave?
St.
Catherine.
Catherine.
Correct. In the Bible, how many brothers did the prodigal boy have?
1.
Correct. Which specific vitamin is tocopherol?
Vitamin E.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of avoidable.
Unavoidable.
Correct. Who is the mayor of St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation in Jamaica?
Derek Sangso.
Correct. Which Italian invented the wireless telegraph?
Guglielmo Marconi.
Correct. Which city in Central America is located at 19 degrees north and 99 degrees west?
Caracas.
Incorrect. Mexico City. Which international artist released the album Speak Now?
Pass.
Taylor Swift. What is the name for the unicellular fungi used in...
E. coli.
No. Baking and brewing would be yeast. End of the second minute for Campion College. Back now to Jonathan Grant for their second minute. Jonathan Grant, in what year did Britain grant Dominica self-government with a legislative council and a chief minister?
1635.
No, 1960. Who is the head coach of the West Indies women's cricket team?
Courtney Walsh.
Correct. Which law states that in the absence of external forces, the total momentum of a group of interacting objects remains constant?
Law of conservation of momentum.
Correct. With specific parts on a Spanish chicken menu? Leg and thigh. Who wrote the novel The House of the Dead?
Roger Mays.
No, Fyodor Dostoevsky. In which Jamaican parish is the birthplace of the author Claude McKay?
Clarendon.
Correct. In the Bible, how many daughters did Philip and the evangelist have?
4.
Correct. Which specific vitamin is riboflavin?
Forever forgiving. Vitamin B2.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of enviable.
Enviable.
No, unenviable. Who's the mayor of the Manchester Municipal Corporation in Jamaica?
Donovan Mitchell.
Correct. Which African American invented the traffic light?
Traffic light. Pass.
Garrett Augustus Morgan. Which city in Australia is located 37 degrees south?
Sydney.
No, Melbourne. And that's it. End of the second minute for Jonathan Grant. Back now to Campion College for their third and final minute. Campion, what is the value of the Roman numerals MM, CM, LVI?
MMCM. So this is 2,900.
And 61.
No, 2,956. Who is the host of TVJ's discussion program All Angles?
Leon Jackson Miller.
Correct. In what year did Trinidad and Tobago achieve internal self-government?
1954.
No, 1956. Which English Premier League club is nicknamed the Toffees?
Everton.
Correct. What is the mass of the proton in kilograms?
This is 9.1094 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms.
No, 1.67 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. Cocinare la rosa al vapor. What am I saying in English?
Pass.
To steam rice. Who wrote the play The Iceman Cometh?
Wayne Brown.
No, Eugene O'Neill. Built in 1865, the oldest surviving golf club in the Western
Manchester.
Hemisphere. Yes. In the Bible, Amos prophesied in the days of which king of Israel?
Uzziah.
No, Jeroboam. Which phylum in the animal kingdom gets its name from a Latin word meaning jointed foot?
Arthropoda.
Yes. To what animal does the adjective vulpine refer?
Fox.
Yes. And that's the end of the third and final minute for Campion College. And now we go back to the Jonathan Grant High School for their third and final minute. Jonathan Grant, which international artist released the album Play On?
Jay-Z.
No, Carrie Underwood. What is the name of the enzyme present in yeast which is responsible for the formation of ethanol and carbon dioxide from sugars?
Pass.
Zymase. What is the value of the Roman numerals MML, XXV?
So 2075.
Correct. Who was the host of TVJ's program Profile?
Archibald Gordon.
Correct. Who was the first Prime Minister of Barbados?
Barbados.
Granley Adams?
No, right, excellent. Errol Barrow. Which English Premier League club is nicknamed the Clarets?
Claret. Burnley.
Correct. A proton's mass is approximately how many times the mass of an electron?
1840.
Yes. Hornear las patatas. To bake potatoes. Who wrote the play Three Sisters?
C.S. Lewis.
No, Anton Chekhov. The Charlestown settlement of the 18th century.
Portland.
Yes.
Good.
In the Bible, who was the father of the prophet Joel? That would be Pethuel. That brings us to the end of the third and final minute for Jonathan Grant and the end of our speed challenge. Scores at this time, Campion College on 25 and Jonathan Grant High on 21. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. The 16th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.